channel, and today will be a new video where I'll be sharing with you my shampoo condition routine along with my blowout and silk press routine. And I'll be taking all of the products from the Dark and Lovely blowout collection to style and do my hair today. So starting right off, I'll be taking the Dark and Lovely smoothing weightless wash, and I'm just going to use this to saturate all throughout my hair and get my hair saturated and feeling nice. And when I tell you guys, this product feels so amazing, you guys. I absolutely love it. I just love the way it feels on my hair, giving my hair this clean, natural glow at the same time. Now I'll be taking the moisture treatment deep conditioning, and I'm going to squirt that out into my hands and apply it onto my hair. And when I tell you guys, this product, this conditioner right here, made my hair feel baby soft. Like, I don't know if you guys are able to tell through the camera, but it feels amazing. And let's not forget that these products smell amazing, you guys. I love a smell good product that will leave my hair smelling good and also feeling good. So yes, while I have my conditioner in, I'll just be detangling my hair with using a brush, just getting all of the tangles out. And yeah. These products got my hair feeling so amazing, you guys. You guys just have to try it out for yourself, but I'm gonna just leave it right there. Just leave it right there. So yes, I'm going to rinse this out and continue on with this wash. And yeah, you guys, look how this product just got my hair looking, and you can tell it feels different because look how I'm just saturating my hair. So yes, you guys, now I'm taking the Blowout Silky Scalp Blow Dry Cream. And when I tell you guys, I just love all of these products because they just work so well together. And you just do it in the order which you know it's supposed to be. But when I tell you guys, my hair feels amazing and I just love it. So yeah, I'm just going to saturate that all throughout my hair and get it feeling nice and good and make sure it's all through there. So now I'm going with the Heat Shed Primer Mist, and I absolutely love this too. So yeah, who doesn't use heat protector? So you want to make sure you always protect your hair with the heat when you're applying heat to it. So I'm just going to spray that all throughout my hair until I feel like it's enough. So now right into the blow dry, I'm just going to skim right through this, you guys, so you guys can just watch this part. And once I get done, I'll be flat ironing and adding my clip-ins. So yes, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. If you like to see different hair tutorials and things like that, so make sure you guys turn that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a video.
Pretty girl with some skills. I can be anything with all this melanin.